Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the examples of the non-profit organizations how to prepare receipts and payment account. This is the one example in front of you. You may read out from the following particulars you have to prepare the receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2019. This question will help you how to prepare the receipts and payment account. You have to use the same scheme as you know how to prepare the cash book. You may observe at the starting of the cash in hand, first opening balance of 2018 is here, and the cash at bank opening balance of April 2018 is given 7,500 and 48,000. Because these are the positive balance, it will go to the receipt side to balance brought down, and the cash with the 7,500 and the bank with the 48,000 like the cash book. Now second point is listed here with the subscriptions. Subscription collected for the year ended 2018, 2019 and 2020. 3 years are mentioned here with the amount of the 15,000 to like 20,000 and the 6,000. But you may observe when we are preparing the receipt account, receiving side, all the 3 years will be mentioned there. When amount received, it will go to the receiving side. So 15,000, 2,20,000 and 6,000 all will entertain as a subscription receipt, and the total will go to the main columns. Donation receipt, it is also go to the receiving side of the receipts and payment account. Donation receipt for the specific purpose like pavilion is also go to the receiving side. And then 8% investment purchase, when purchase is here, it means it is mentioned to the outflow, it will go to the payment side. And now the purchase of refreshment, again purchase is there, will go to the payment side. Rent paid, go to the payment side. Entrance fees received, it will remain to the receipt side. And then honorariums to the secretary, it will go to the payment side. And interest on investment, 8% is mentioned here because the investment is a asset. So interest on the investment will be called interest received. So it will go to the receipt side. Furniture purchase is a outflow, so it will go to the payment side. And then the sale of old furnitures, two values are mentioned here, cost price and the selling price 4,000. So 4,000 is the sale price, so it will entertain only the sale price. So it will go to the receiving side, receipt side. And then the sports material purchase, so it will go to the payment side because the outflow of money is there. Sale of refreshment, that go to the receiving side because the flow is inside, and the salary and the wages paid, it will go to the payment side. And the sports expenses, 25,000 are here, but including with the unpaid amount. Unpaid word is referring to still have to pay. So 25 minus 5,000, only 20,000 which is actually paid will be entertained to the payment side only. So cash in hand balance is also given 6,200. As we started with the cash in hand with the 75, now balance is already automatically given with the 62 of the cash, but missing figure is cash at bank. So when we close this account, the missing figure will be derived with the name of the cash at bank at the end. It will be called as the balancing figures. Depreciations, furnitures 10% will not be entertained here because it is a part of the adjustments. So on the basis of this, you may observe the one solution is also listed here as according to my discussions. All the items here you may see to the first item as like the subscriptions. Subscription, all the 15, 2,20 and 6 are mentioned here. And the second point is related with the sports expenses. Outstanding expenses has been deducted. Number 3, depreciations on furnitures is given 10%, has not been entertained. So make focus on the working notes now. The working note will tell you the scheme now. Only the paid or received item will be entertained, may be related to the previous year, maybe current year or to the next year. Secondly, the item related to the capital or revenue natures will be entertained here. So no description here is the item of revenue will entered in or the capitals will be both will be entered in here, and the adjustments of unpaid expense or receivable items and the depreciation provision, no adjustments will be done here. Thank you.